Maldives President Mohamed Muizzu's party, the People's National Congress, has won the island's parliamentary elections by a landslide margin. They contested 90 out of 93 seats, and in the first round itself, they won 66 of the 86 seats for which results were declared. This is already an over two-third majority in the House. What this essentially means is that President Muizzu will now be able to push policies in the parliament. Earlier, his party was in minority in the House, and the Majlis is what exercises supervisory powers over the Maldivian executive. They can hold up presidential decisions as well. Until now, the Majlis was dominated by pro-India Mohamed Soli's party. This time, they suffered a bad defeat. So these results come as a cause of concern for New Delhi, especially among already strained India-Maldives ties. Malé has been tilting towards Beijing ever since Muizzu came to power, and these results are likely to exacerbate the problem for India and clear more obstacles for Muizzu's China push. Though facing off with India has hit Maldives, especially the tourism industry, badly, Muizzu has been awarding big-ticket infra contracts to Chinese state-owned companies. But just a month before these elections, Maldives' economic situation led Muizzu to extend an olive branch to India, where he acknowledged India's financial support to Malé last month and said that India will remain their closest ally. Maldives owes India at least $400 million. The weight of loans is burdening the Maldivian economy. Muizzu even appealed for leniency in loan repayment terms. Muizzu said that India will continue to remain the Maldives' closest ally. There is no question about it. However, China is trying their best to expand their role in the Maldives, the main reason being the strategic location of the island country in the Indian Ocean. Maldives' position is within vital sea lines in the Indian Ocean region, and despite his reconciliatory tone with India, Muizzu has been pursuing closer ties with China. This is basically why it's a key concern for India. And in response, India has strengthened their naval and coast guard presence in Lakshadweep in order to have a vantage point in the Indian Ocean and keep an eye on China while maintaining our geopolitical presence in the key region.